A jacket.
Your favor, idiot.
Get me.
Oh, alright, come on. Go in. Jesus, think is a flating. Look here, man.
Kids?
Stay in school.
Stay in school.
Greetings and welcome to the Yjaye Nature Life channel. And today, as you can see by the title, we'll be reacting to Child Laugh video, Jamaica videos. Will you laugh? That's the question. Alright.
Medium Jamaica unless quarantine cup. Hold on.
I'm bad boy.
You don't understand about
I'm bad boy.
What not do? I'm not telling you to stay in. Nobody out.
It's a quarantine
Yo,
time,
Miss
corona time.
Lady. Miss Lady. Miss Lady. I talked to you last week.
Don't play with me now.
Look,
Don't play with me.
look.
Just a
Don't play with me. I don't play with
Unless me say fit.
Sure.
Look.
Sure.
Me say fit. Go. Hey.
Seriously.
Alright, come on. Go in.
Jesus,
You think it's a flating? Look here, man.
It's a vampire goat. Lady.
How much more this? Unless you try challenge.
Go full goat here.
I'm well trained in a boy. How come you got damage here?
Lady, no worry.
I want to that boy.
Come on, listen. Let's go on.
Hold that. Hey, boy, go in. Go in.
Yo.
You know, say, hey.
Go versus
Hey,
man.
hold that
Man is
again.
losing.
Kick me. You're mad. Hey, boy, go down. Don't play with the cop. Don't play with Jamaica unless. Watch ya. You play with me. You hear me say? Social distancing. You hear me say? That boy from last week. You know change the shirt. Hold that and go home. Go home, me say. Yeah, hear me? Me not care if he's a postman or you doing delivery. Me say nobody on the road. Social distancing. Get home. Last time I'm talking to you, you know. You see all you? You see? Get in. Sarge, I am now in charge. Get home. Get home. Don't take my picture. Don't.
Can't lose.
And the teacher. Yo. I want the some man. Boy, them are flip like Sony Ericsson, Samsung. Let them know so we have some. I'm my brother, but I am not your brother.
Yeah, GNL.
Well,
GNL coming there.
brother, but you still a brother, not come out of the same mother. But anyway, you're a friend, an enemy, a stranger, everything to me, but you still my brother, see me. Out of one people, but not the same mother. So I mean, so still my brother, see me, you're not a stranger to me, my brother, see me, God make you, God make me. But not the same mother will come out of, but still one brother, see me. Yeah, see, so anyway, you see me, I call me, I say I'm a friend, my brother, whatsoever, I don't know, but you're still my friend, you're still my brother, everything in one.
Few moments later.
When I was 6, right? My neighbor was half my age. And now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
How old is the neighbor? When you're 6, I know you're 12. So how old is the neighbor? But I never know the neighbor age at the moment, so I never know the neighbor at the moment at the time. In the position, so how couldn't me know the neighbor age at the time? I never know them at all, so I could never say nothing. See, so me, you know, you say you're 6 at that moment, I know you're 12. All the thing I can say, it's just a guess because I know you'll find the answer. See, so my sense is still, me can't tell how old is the neighbor as the moment yet. Still, you still have to get to me, so we can question us.
Simple man.
See, so,
when me at 6, right? My neighbor is half my age, and now me at 12. How old is my neighbor?
So when I was 6, my neighbor was half my age. Half of 6 is 3. 1, 2, 3. So you're 12 now. 12 take away 3 is 9. Okay.
So you never
Trick question, but a simple match, man.
16 to 24, one out of the other. So after age mean by from 12 to 12 means 24. And from 6 to 6 means to 12. So from 3 to 3 to mean to 6. So anyway, I want to take the still a cut off our fight. You see me at this half me half you. So I mean, so me know what I got say again. So you don't know one I want to make two.
Wow, we just dirty man, like a friend.
You can't trouble you. I don't feel me to tell you now. Me and blood clot dog under the big tree down a town. I will find out shit. You don't see a dog soup you drink? No. Oh. We will find out shit. You can look here. If you skin a dog, you can't believe say he meat pretty, so you can't blood clot straight there. Where's even scrape him?
They have a skin.
Yeah. Come here, shall the China them.
China or something like that.
I know me alone.
Which China, my dog?
Who want to live in a Portland?
You wear chat so much?
But they don't know say me have a talk.
Liar, tell man.
Yeah, me a liar. Me a blood.
Oh, you sell China?
That's not a laugh, it's a breath.
It's a universe. You did me brick with a easy chance. Believe we think that's it, I'm bringing along the system. I'm a reading peasant, one of us with the tenants. Some around them tight like we squeeze them extra. Secret them all, the big fire keep on get gas. Yes sir, fast catching them, no method. Begin with the pressure, insist for the things of a very special. Mafia, this and that take a changer.
There's one clear. There's one. Sing.
Yo. What y'all listening? What y'all listening song in peace? Eh? Yo, better listen to you.
Skilly Bang, Mr. Universe.
Man.
More serious song.
This man is not a laugh.
Me say China blood that dog.
Which China you sell that?
If me call the name now, we won't carry cool.
If you call your name, carry more.
And if you talk true to your fellows. Yes, it's a liar.
Lion.
Who a liar?
Yo,
Ayawa.
yourself, man.
A thief.
Me say.
Cat a thief.
Me don't know where you want to call me. Me
I
say.
eat rot.
Anything you want to call me.
Turn your Bawdacat. Say me right.
Me not talking to you.
Wait, the cats eat rat or the cats just kill a rat? Which one is it? If you know, leave in the comments. Cats kill rats or cats eat rats? Or both?
Cat eat rat.
Then kill them.
Why you not kill it? You not take life.
I eat fish.
Popcaan and Miss Rona.
Bawdacat.
The original video. Missionary. You know, so bad man don't eat, we consume. You don't eat, we consume. You know, so fire! Yes, no. Yummy.
Sir, you see me wearing a mask.
Corona time.
You see me wearing a fucking mask. Umuwi sa lupan? Wala, talaga mo.
Kami ng Jamaica to Ramos. Cha! Rastafari.
Alright, so let we say you have $1,200 and my cameraman asks for a loan. You have $1,200 and they decide that you're gonna give my cameraman $500.
Shinida,
How much
Dion.
money do you remain with?
What you know?
You see 12? You see 12?
Mister.
Okay, so let me say you have $1,200 and you buy a shoes for $500. How much money you remain with?
Can't do maths.
This is one of the #1 reasons why I continue to say, I continue to beg, but I continue to say, kids,
Stay in school.
stay in school.
Fish. Shoot fish.
No, we not talk about that.
Me no die. Me no die for shit.
So you never waterfront.
No, me a water back.
Because waterfront, me know you to dive a ship side. Yes. You use them out and kind. Yeah, man. And white people look
Me
soft
say
kind.
me no die for shit. Oh, me die for blood ship and me can't spell ship. When you go ship I die. Cool too.
I know that man. Which part you did live?
You're my brother, right? But I am not your brother. So who am I?
A jacket.
Try to get me. Mas eu sou franquia. Oi! Oi! Turn up. Alright, done. Anybody laugh? Leave in the comments, can you feel? It's good to laugh. It's a blessing, you know? Until next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, repost, all of these things. See? Look out for the next video coming soon. Enough respect.